I'm John with Wight Water Pool Service out of Fresno, California. We're going to talk about adjusting or installing a Weir gate. We have a brand new Weir gate here. You can see on the instructions there, it doesn't show you much. It has a little pin on here because these are spring loaded and they will pop out. You can install it with it out, but it's easier a lot of times if it's held in there. Once you get it inside the skimmer, then you could pull the little rip cord out and it'll push these springs out. This is, as you can see, spring loaded. So there's two different types of skimmers. One we would install this way in the throat. The other one we're going to install from here. So this particular skimmer goes this way, so it floats. There's a little float in here, a little foam. It floats up. That closes the door and doesn't allow debris to go in there when your pump is off, so it keeps your debris inside of your skimmer for you. You also want to make sure your skimmer basket has some kind of weight in there. If you ever put a rock in here, pro tip, make sure it's big enough where it can't go into those holes inside the skimmer there. There's little round holes about 2 inches, so have a rock bigger than that, or just get a nice weighted skimmer. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install this one. We're gonna go through this way on this skimmer. And all I do is I push it until I hit a little ridge in there, and that's basically where the tile and the plastic meet, and then the skimmer's installed and the flapper will work. When it's off, you can see it goes up, and then when the pump starts, it actually helps pull it down there so debris goes inside the basket. If you need anything further, just come into our store at Wight Water Pool Supply or give us a call. Thank you.